and then air angles, going both ways. Felt like butter. You want it to feel like butter. Woo. Can you show different perspectives of your Gumby? I would love to. I got you. So this says forward straight on, you face it in the direction I'm going. Now I'll give you to the side, going one way. Now do the same thing going the other way. And then the often forgotten angle going backwards. Ooh, lost the headphone. Oh. If you're trying to progress and improve your 540, a high floaty tornado kick is step 1, and step 2 is a drill that teaches you how to land on your round kicking leg. So that way you can hyper, i.e. land on the round kicking leg when you do a tornado kick. And that drill is this one right here. You round, drop. And as you drop that leg, you hike your other one up. And that helps you get the hip positioning and the follow through to then later do the 540. I'm gonna do one on my other side, so that way I can stay balanced. Oh, my offside 540 needs a lot of work. Oh. I lost the headphone. Yo, real quick, a massive shout out to every single person who followed the stream before I even had a stream. We had over 100 followers before I even started streaming. So thank you, every single one of you, seriously. It means the world to me. That was a weird back reach to land. But we made it. I'll do some handstand walks. I'm gonna just walk back and forth for a hot minute. Oh, that's enough. I lost both headphones. Gotta go collect them. Alright. Oh, that one felt good, but not enough. I want to get at least 1 or 2 circles. Oh, that one was a good one. Hey Brendan, I have terrible upper body strength. Where do you think I should start to train the handstand from like level 0? So, I got you. If you want to train your handstand from level 0, first step, tripod. So, make a triangle with your hands in your head. Set your head down on the ground. Make sure you're putting the very crown of your head on the ground. And you can rest your knees on your elbows and then hit a tripod. If you want to learn a handstand, this is a good first step. From here, you can learn how to press your legs up and down, so you can develop those muscles. And then to help your arms get more used to supporting all that weight, I'd recommend mountain push-ups. So regular push-ups, have maybe like half your weight on your hands. Mountain push-ups just add so much more, and it's a great way to condition your body and get you used to pushing up and down, so that way you can do it should you need to correct yourself in a handstand. But all those exercises are great for developing upper body strength. Those felt good. Yeah, if you're dealing with issues of back flexibility, it's bridges. So, literally sitting down on the ground, putting your hands by your head, and going up, and just stretching this out. Try to push your belly button more towards the ceiling, get your hands and feet closer. You can do bridge push-ups to help condition your arms. And if you want to work on your mobility, you can do bridge flips, just flipping your body over from a push-up to a bridge position. Or you can do an exercise called bridge twists, where you get into a bridge and then you don't move your arms as you twist your legs around your body. It looks like this. It is not an easy exercise, but it is really good at stretching out your back. And if you need to develop that flexibility, bridges and bridge exercises are your best bet. A little too heavy. I feel like my gainer switches are a little bit too off axis. That one was way better. Much better. Could I give a tack full example? Yes, but I'm gonna do it out of a scoot because it's easier. Oh, I haven't done that in forever. Thank you guys. One of the reasons I want to do these sessions is so I can train the tricks I never train. I don't think I've done a tack full in like at least a year, if not more, and that's messed up, dude. I shouldn't be like that. But I normally would like train these things at gatherings and at local sessions, but they're all gone. So thank you guys for suggesting these tricks, getting me to try them. Seriously. Oh, that one felt good. There's a few more tricks I want to hit before finishing up tonight. I just want to get a reverse sow. What else? I want to hit a solid rodeo cork. And then maybe a double full. Yeah. I'll start with the reverse sow. I could be cleaner. That one felt better. Do this a few more times. I lost both headphones and they went flying. Woo, that one did feel good. I think that is enough training for tonight. I think I'm gonna cut it here. You guys will see me again. I'll be back. I'll do another stream on Sunday, same time, 9:30. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys for coming into this stream. It was great. Thank you for the suggestions. I really think that these sessions are gonna help me get stronger, help me get better, and just help grow my tricking so that way I can be the athlete I wanna be. It's hard to get better when the world's breaking down. So Hopefully you guys can be a part of this with me. We can grow, we can make this amazing. I'm super hyped. Yeah, thank you guys for dropping the love. And thank you to everybody who's followed, who's become a part of this. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a nice one.